Hello children, welcome to ATL Bright Stars High School. As you all are aware about, our school is selected as the Star ATL of India. In this presentation, I want to show you about how to use this Atal Innovation Mission website. So first, if we open in Chrome or in any other browser, first we will see the homepage of Atal Innovation Mission in this way, and in that you had to go to the Atal Tinkering Labs and you had to click on ATL curriculum. So curriculum is nothing but the syllabus that is given for our Atal Tinkering Lab. So in this you can see all the ATL curriculum: introduction, ideation, design thinking, computational thinking, physical computing, 3D design and printing, intellectual property, IP rights and laws, and how to create a business speech and ethical leadership in tinkering and innovation, ELTI module, and ATL Tinkering Festival, and ATL drone module, ATL AI based artificial intelligence based module, and this is the new one which was launched yesterday by our mission director, Mr. Ramanan Ramanathan. ATL Python learning module, artificial intelligence activity, additional activity sheet, and ATL AI Step Up module, and this was also launched recently, and ATL AI Step Up projects booklet, and ATL gaming module, ATL app development module, ATL space module, Let's Tinker a handbook guide for successful implementation of ATL, ATL community day, and miscellaneous. So if we click on the links, and we will be directed to a series of things. See, if we, for example, I have shown you about ideation, so there will be a number of classes in that. So introduction to ideation and introduction to ideation presentation and all. So actually this Atal Tinkering Labs is giving tinker from home modules. So in this tinker from home modules, the students should learn from their home. So as we are from the rural background, some of our students are unaware of this curriculum and all the syllabus that is there for our Atal Tinkering Lab. So I want to show this I want to show all the curriculum in this video, and now I would like to show you about how to sign up, or how to sign up in this ATL gaming module. So if we go to the curriculum and if we see in the ATL gaming module, if we click on the ATL gaming module, and in this gaming module, if we go there, okay, we can see here home, courses, community, login and sign up. So first we have to go to this tab, that is sign up. So click on sign up, and then we had to create a new account. Fill blank to create new account. Email is not mandatory for this type of courses, and here you had to sign up as a student or as a teacher. So if your student is joining, you can click on the student, and if a teacher is creating an account, click on this account. So first step I will show for the teacher. So first name is we can put our initial, that is a P. So I'm doing it for myself. So username, so here we can keep whatever username we want. So here they have suggestions also have been given. So Divya Lifesaver, so like that we can click on anything. And then for example email, so if you have an email you can click on the email or just leave it like that. And then the password, so create some password. And just you can put your date of birth here. And then gender, whether you are male or female, and name of our school. And then school type we had to select as private, and country, you know, India. and then go to the state, Telangana. Next, district. You can go to the district. Go to the district. District, you can type it as Jogulamba Gadwal. And phone number, you can put your phone number. And then you teach from grade 8, 9, 10. So whichever grades you are teaching, you can put here 8, 9, 10. And then the maximum number of students I had thought, just you can write some 200 or 300 or so, whatever it is. And then I teach subjects science, and then this is the sign up. See, success, account created successfully. So if somebody have used their username, so we had to select in that. So again I will show for a student account how to sign for a student. So for example, a student, so I am doing for Jeremy Prince, and then username, so we can put here Jeremy Prince Super Creator, and then email, no need of email, and then create one password, confirm the password. See, remember children, you all, every time you had to create a password that you remember always. Sometimes the students are forgetting the passwords and they are asking me, so that is not so I can't remember all of your passwords. So please put it very simple so that you can easily remember it always. Yeah, mail, and then the school, Bright Stars High School or ATL Bright Stars. Select the school that is private, and then country, India, and then state, Telangana, and then district, Jogulamba Gadwal. Phone number, so I'm taking another number, and then grade 1 to 5, and then you can sign up. Okay, so after signing up, so what we can do is you can use the screen will appear like this, and then you can log into your account. Okay, we have to edit our profile, so some details which we couldn't complete can be done again. Okay, so we can select some profile image, and then we can change the password, phone number, so whatever details we want. See here some of the details: video language, English, security details, which is your favorite game, what is your mother's name, and who is your best friend, and likes and interests. My ambition is to become, I love gaming because it's dash. So some funny things can be submitted here. So just we can go to the courses, or else we can go back to the dashboard. Okay, so if we go to the dashboard, here we can see 3 courses are there. Beginner course, okay. So course category, learn from our exciting catalog of videos, moving from a beginner to advanced stage. So these are the 3 coding games that we have in the ATL game development module. First is the beginner, second one intermediate, and advanced, third one. In the beginner we have Scratch. So if you click on this, see this Scratch is only for 6 hours. See, if a student spends at least half an hour or a teacher spends at least half an hour a day, so they can complete the Scratch course within 12 days. And then and this is also very fun and it is interesting, and many of our students have learned it already, so you can find out from them. And the second one is Construct, and this course is for 15 hours, and this is also very easy. All these courses, children, they don't require any prior coding knowledge. So if we don't have any coding experience also, we can participate or we can learn these courses, and it is very useful. For example, in the Scratch, in the beginners module, if we click on the Scratch, so these are very interesting and just a simple videos will be there. So what is this, what is about the Scratch, and get started with Scratch, and be the change agent, code the aeroplane, create wildfires, and some of the games that were created through Scratch are also put in our YouTube channel. So like that, very few courses and very few things are there to learn. So all these things can be learnt easily and can be understand. So all these videos we had to learn them step by step. So you can't start the first one and then go to skip one video and then go to the next one, but it is like a continuous series of videos which you can start from the beginning and then you had to proceed. For example, I will show you. See, course introduction. So if we are watching this video only, it will be shown. Otherwise, see, this will be logged. See, next, see, it is logged. If we complete the first video, if we complete the previous video only, the next video will get opened. So like this, we had to complete all the videos and then only you will get the badge or the prize that is provided there. And then see, for the theme climate action, two will be there. So one is the video and the other one is the quiz, and then douse wildfires. So one is the theory video and then you will have the quiz. So like that, the series is continuing. So children, I hope you all understood how to log in into this course and prepare, and how to prepare the notes also is available here. So you can go through the curriculum that is provided here and you can understand it step by step. And if you are having any doubts also, please feel free to contact me. So the numbers are given here, so you can contact me anytime to complete this game development module. So in the next class, I will teach you how to sign up for next modules. Thank you. Bye.